Good morning, children. So, today I will teach the students of Standard 5 subject General Knowledge. So, children, please take out your book and take out chapter 31 Sporting Spectacles. So, children, in this chapter, I have underlined some important fill-ups. So, please have a look and underline all the fill-ups. And same in the next page. You can have a look and you can underline the fill-ups. You go through the chapter properly. Questions may come in any form. So better be prepared with each and everything carefully. So take out page number 32 and here also I have taken some fill-ups. So you go through all the sentences properly and carefully. Now take out page number 41. So tick which of the world's 7 continents does not have a desert? Answer is Europe. Second number, the largest continuous sand desert in the world is in West Asia. What is its name? So the answer is Rubal Khali Desert. So children, please leave this question. The answer will be given to you in the class. Then fourth one, the world's oldest desert is Namib Desert. Fifth number, which of the following deserts span across the border of India and Pakistan? The answer is Thar Desert. Then sixth number, which is the world's largest cold desert? So the answer is Antarctic Desert. So tick Antarctic Desert. So here are some points are given. So children, please go through these points properly and carefully. So now take out chapter 33, First Among Equals. So the first one I have underlined for you. The Prime Minister is the leader of majority party in Parliament and the head of the government of India. So you underline this sentence also. Then in second sentence, second paragraphs, the first sentence you underline this also. Now let us name these Prime Ministers of India. So the first one, he is a renowned economist. He was the governor of the Reserve Bank of India. So the answer is Raghuram Govinda Rajan. So write Raghuram Govinda Rajan. Then second one, this poet politician served 3 times as Prime Minister. He was known for his oratory skill. The answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Then third one, he served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat before becoming the Prime Minister. Answer is Narendra Modi. Then fourth number, India's first and only women Prime Minister. She is credited with nationalizing commercial banks. The answer is Indira Gandhi. Then fifth number, he is often referred to as the father of Indian economic reforms. His semi-autobiographical work, The Insider, is well known. The answer is P.V. Narasimha Rao. Then sixth one, he gave us the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He died of a heart attack while on an official visit to Tashkent. So the answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Then seventh number, he gave the speech a tryst with destiny at the stroke of midnight on 15th August 1947. So the answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So I am repeating the answers. Please have a look. First one, Raghuram Govindarajan. Second one, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Third one, Narendra Modi. Fourth one, Indira Gandhi. Fifth one, P.V. Narasimha Rao. Sixth one, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Seventh one, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So write your answers properly.